Hi again, Weather Club. Miss Lonnie back, and this week we're going to do something really fun. We are going to make a hurricane in a dish. This one's very simple. You won't need a lot for it. If you remember from my last video, I read you the page on wind, and we'll just read that hurricane part again. So a hurricane is a spiral-shaped windstorm that comes from the tropics. And I also wrote you a little bit of information about it here where it says week 7, and I'll read that to you. A hurricane is a storm in which the wind goes really fast in circles, kind of like a tornado. Hurricane winds aren't as fast as tornadoes, but they last longer, and hurricanes form in the ocean, unlike tornadoes which form on land. So for this project, you're going to need a large bowl, about half full of water, so I already have my water in the bowl. You're going to need your food dye again if you have any left from your rain cloud. And you're going to need a spoon. And all you're going to do in this one is you've got your dish, which is half full. I'm going to make it so make sure you can see. And you're going to want to open your food coloring. And again, it doesn't matter which color you have. I have blue, you might have purple, orange, red, green. They will all work the same. So we're going to build a hurricane, and in this, the water is going to be our wind. So we can't make wind, but we're going to pretend that this water is our wind. So this is out in the ocean, and you're going to start by stirring it in the same direction. Just keep stirring your water in the same direction so you get it spinning really well. The faster you spin, the faster your water is going to spin. And then in order to see how much your water is spinning, we're just going to add a drop of our food coloring. So I'm going to try to keep spinning while I add my food coloring, and we're going to see what happens. So that food coloring kind of dispersed in that circular motion. Let's see if we can get it to do it a little bit better. I'm going to try another drop. Yeah, that one worked better. So did you notice that it got really dark in the direction that it was spinning until it finally spread through your whole dish? And that is the idea of how a hurricane works. Now, imagine that coming out of the ocean much faster as wind. It can create a lot of damage. And so the weather can be nice like it has been this last week up here. For us, it's been gorgeous. We've had so much sun. It's been hot. I'm sure you've all been swimming. Or it can also cause some really yucky stuff like hurricanes. Next week, we are going to actually build a tornado in a jar, and that'll be the same idea in which your water will act as the wind. Until then, take care and have fun tracking the weather.